my name is Emily Campbell. I'm the principal here at Heartland Elementary. We'd like to welcome you to our open house tonight. We have a lot of vendors, such as the Girl Scout and the Boy Scouts in the gym, so you'll be able to see those. And then, of course, we have all our classrooms open right now where students and parents are meeting their classroom for the 22-23 school year. Thank you for coming today. Well, especially coming off of the year of COVID, you know, we weren't able to have a lot of visitors into the building, so having open house kind of back to normal, if you will, this year allows for parents to come in and see the building. They get to meet the teacher, establish those relationships early on, and it's face-to-face instead of over the computer, over the telephone like it's been in the past. So it's really nice to have parents back in the building. We do have a few staff members that are new this year, and we're very excited to have them. The one big change would be is, again, because of COVID restrictions being lifted, we look forward to hopefully having more holiday programs, other special parent events, having parents in the building more often than what we have in the past. And of course, then our volunteer program is back up and running, and so we'll be able to have volunteers come in and help us with the students, and we look forward to having those.
I'm Crystal Miller, the Library Media Specialist here at Heartland. This year we have a lot of new books, some new Dog Man, some new Katie Woo coming in, so those will be some new exciting things to look for. And also we have some digital citizenship things we're going to be doing to talk about online safety and how to be good and a digital footprint online. So we look forward to seeing you in the library.